Hi everybody, I am doing the Christmas tag and this is a collab with my YouTube sisters, the mama that does it all, Positively Giselle, Life as Michelle, and also Life as Rose. And so we are doing the Christmas tag, so we're going to answer 10 questions. So I'm just going to randomly pick one. What do you eat on Christmas Day? On Christmas Day, we pretty much eat the same things that we ate on Thanksgiving. So we will have ham, turkey, dressing, potato salad, greens, all of the fixings. Do you wear Christmas jumpers? If so, show us a picture. I do not wear Christmas jumpers. Show us your Christmas decorations. The only ones that are still up is the Christmas tree and the stockings. So that is my Christmas decorations because we are going home. Have you ever gone Christmas caroling? I went Christmas caroling when my brother and sister were in high school, or was it middle school or high school? One of them. So I remember doing that with my siblings. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? Let's see, how many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4. We did a gingerbread train, not a house, about 4 years ago, I think it was. But we're actually thinking about doing a gingerbread house, so we may do that once we get home. What is your all-time favorite Christmas food? Christmas food. I'm gonna go to another one. Have you ever built a snowman? Yes. Who cooks the Christmas meal? It depends on where we are. If we are home, it's usually my mother-in-law and my husband, and sometimes me because I make potato salad. If we're here, it's me and my husband and my kids. I don't even know what number I'm on. What is your favorite thing about Christmas? Remembering the birth of Jesus, and also my family being together and appreciating each other, making it another year. So what would be your dream place to spend Christmas? I would like to go back to Europe. That would be wonderful. Who are you spending Christmas with this year? My family and my family back at home. We are going to go see our families and keep it at that. What's your one Christmas wish? An unspeakable wish. So I don't know how many I did. I think I went over 10. I think we were supposed to do 10. So if I went over 10, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna do one more. What is your favorite Christmas movie? Right now it is Polar Express. My kids are older, but we still watch Polar Express every year. So that is my Christmas tag, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go check out my sisters and watch their tags, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.